everybody. So I was shopping around and I'm back in one of those I want to get the most for my money phases. And I remembered how much I really loved the 2018 version of this. It's a Leaf Perfect Game National Showcase. It has 25 autographs in it, including a couple of like parallels. You could maybe get a patch or two. Just a really sweet product. And as much as I love 2018, those are still really young kids, and it's still, their future is very unclear. So I thought, why not go back a year so that at this point, we still don't know who's going to pan out and who's not. But by going back to 2017, we at least have a little bit of a better picture of which of these guys are going to, possibly do something. So I thought it might be fun to go back a year and maybe recognize some of the names and, combine that with, like I said, a great value, 25 autographs, and I was sold. So I got 2 boxes. I'm going to open one now. And yeah, let's get into this. Really love this stuff. I mean, 25 autographs. And yeah, we know a lot of these kids will never make it to the bigs. That's just a fact of life. Baseball is tough. It's tough. There's lots of kids that are good and not many that are going to be good enough to make it to the bigs, but still, I think it's a pretty good value. And people who love to, speculate, well, they love these cards. So, all right, you get a big old honking box if I can get it out of here. 20%. Oh, that's funny. Beckett must have teamed up with Leaf because there's a coupon for 20% off of Beckett grading in here. Let me stick it in, show it for you guys in case you want to use it. Submit this coupon with your BAS submission form and take 20% off your total order. Doesn't say you have to be a new, it just says limited 1 promotion per submission. It doesn't say you have to be a new first time Beckett user, grading user. So, oh, it says authentication. It doesn't say grading. My bad. Anyways, there it is if anybody wants to use it. So here's our stack. A bunch of dummy cards at the top. Looks like we have a couple of thick cards down there at the bottom. So let's get into it. Let's see who we have. Let's see how we can do this. Just put them back in the box for protection. Oh, here's another one of those funny. Yeah, I never did this with the other one. Leaf has created new social media sites for all things related. This card contains a unique code, which I'm covering up, which may be useful when promotional opportunities are announced. Do not enter. Giveaways could include yada yada yada. So anyways, I've got another one of these. I'll hold on to this one too. I want to check that out some more. Okay, let's look at the cards. First card is Austin Wells. This is a sticker auto numbered out of 25. Then we have Dylan Nowicki, 5 out of 50. Miko Rodriguez out of 25. Kind of a weak signature there, Miko. You're still young. You can do better than that. Jacob Young out of 50. Benjamin Specht, I guess, out of 50. Dennis Boatman out of 50. 50 out of 50, to be precise. Kevin Perez, that's a better autograph, out of 25. Tyler Lozano out of 50. I have a soft spot for catchers because I played catcher for like, I don't know, 12 years, something like that. Will Schirra, I guess, out of 50. Anthony Sigler out of 50. Bo Blessy out of 50. Michael Brewer out of 50. Tim Borden out of 25. Tanner O'Trimba. Zach Young. Preston Hartzell. Jonathan Alonzo. So those are all out of 25 and 50, and then we get to the goods at the bottom. Oh man, this happened to me before. I got one of these cards with these like marks on it. I know you guys remember me showing it to you. It doesn't wipe off either. That's kind of a bummer. Bryce Reagan. Let's see what this is numbered out of 22. That's a shame. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing there, but that's stinky. As much as I love the look of Leaf cards, that's not cool. Then we have Nander D. What? Nander D. Setters out of 12. So that's like a blue, I guess, wave. Good looking card there. Will Banfield, who I have heard of. Blue out of 30. And then we have a nice little two-colored jersey, I guess. Well, they're calling it patch, I guess. 1 out of 20. Lane Flam. Ooh, nice. Brandon Dieter, who I have heard of. 1 out of 5. I think that's a pretty good card right now. Bryce Reagan, 1 out of 5. Two-colored patch. Blake Brazil, another 1 out of 5. And the last card, Anthony Sigler. It's a good looking patch. And I've heard of this guy too, so that's good. 4 out of 20. So no 1 of 1s or anything like that. The closest we got was 1 of 5. Often you'll pull a 1 of 1 in this, but not in this box. Maybe the next. So that's it. Yeah, I have a lot of fun with this. I mean, that's a ton of hits. You know, it's just fun to open. I mean, it's just hit after hit after hit. And it's not, you know, you're getting a lot for your money. So that's it. I'm going to quit blabbing. And of course, I will have this posted soon. And with the other box to follow, probably right after. And hope everybody's having a great day. And I'll be back with you all soon. Bye.